Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I found that it makes it so much easier to work out when I have an exercise outfit that doesn't ride up or slip down in areas that I needed to stay put in. Doing all of my exercise routine with this two-piece outfit from IWEMEK has been just so enjoyable. I love the coverage that it gives me in the front and in the back, and the fact that it does not have a middle seam. I love the high waist on the shorts and the crop on the top, along with the keyholes in the sleeves so that I can put my thumbs through it and keep my hands a little bit warmer. I think that the color is just gorgeous. It's one of my favorites. I'm 5'4", 130 pounds. Normally I wear a size 34B bra and between a size 2 and 4 pant size, depending on the brand. After I read the sizing on this outfit, I went with a size medium and it fits me really well. I am wearing a sports bra underneath the top and it's really comfortable even with that double layer. I think the thickness on the fabric is perfect. It's not see-through, so I don't worry about exposing myself when I'm wearing it around other people. I think this workout outfit from IWEMEK is so much fun to work out in and is super cute, and that's my point of view.